magandang umaga, magandang hapon at magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, si JomarX, and today we'll be changing the gearbox from this is from the SR16 TG SR16 into a metal gearbox from an ARP9. So I'll tell you how to do it. The main difference between these two is this. As you can see, this is for the RP9, the prime connectors, while this one is for the PDX, MK8, or mostly the M4 variants. So the location is different. And the polarity is also different. I don't particularly remember. I think this is positive, negative, and this one is negative, positive. So if you're going to put this one to this one, and this one to this one, because I'm going to just switch. This is already upgraded, and this is all stock. I'm going to put it in the RP9. You need to put this here to here, and this to here. Basically reverse. Okay, so I will show it how to solder. Be right back. Okay, so while the soldering iron is heating up, always remember to document what you're going to do, especially when it comes to wiring, because you can never be too sure. Always take pictures. You might forget. Multiple angles. So when you're soldering it later, there's a low probability that you're going to make a mistake. Okay, always use tweezers, so it will be slightly easier. Since you're just changing the location will be more or less the same. So first we do this, and then we up, move up. This one. So it's there. Now this one. Oops. This earlier. Take pictures. And on the top, because I might forget. There's another one. Okay, now we remove this one. And now it is removed. Okay, this one be placed here, but this is RP9 wired. Oh, I still see. There will be a difference on where you're going to put the wires. We'll put this later. Wait. Okay, after having a little bit difficulty in trying to install this one, after several trial and errors, I was able to install it. Now for the front. Before it was connected here and it was connected here, but this is now driven connection, it is now reversed. So this, rather than here, should be going there. Okay. Oh, good thing it still reaches. Come in. Using tweezers. Oops. There. Okay, put it on the side. Now for the red wires, since this is a little bit longer, I'm going to just bend it backwards like this. And tweezers. Ta-da! Now should be working. Now let's get a magazine. Magazine. Okay, now for the testing. Connected battery. Clear mag for visibility. Align. Then okay, it's spinning. It's correct. Should be this one. That's correct. Okay, for this one, before this is connected to, this is connected here and this is connected to here. Now we're going to reverse. Other than this connected here, we connected to this one. Okay. Okay, that's a bit easy. Now for the challenge, this is now shorter. This should go to there. Look for spares. So here. First things first, solder this one. If you want to make soldering easier, flux. Just give it a little bit flux. And let's still this one. Then up. Now let's put this here. Make sure both are connected. It's good. Let's add the shrink tubing. And we're going to hit that later. First, we wood stool. Tulong? That's right. Tulong. Little bit thin. And tweezers. And then solder. Oops. Now we look for a magazine. Be right back. Okay, now we connected the battery to your mag. Let's see if it spins. Good. Is it the spin correctly? Correct. Now it works. And that's more or less it. Hope you learned something.